If Steam keeps popping up the virtual keyboard when you're using a controller, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable the Steam virtual keyboard so it stops interrupting your gameplay and desktop use. This is a simple fix, and once you change the controller binding, you won't have to keep dealing with that keyboard every time you press the wrong button. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Steam tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is running, click Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings from the menu. This opens the main Steam settings window where you can adjust controller behavior and other desktop features. On the left-hand side, click Controller. This section contains the settings for Steam input and controller-related shortcuts. If you use a gamepad to navigate Steam or your desktop, this is where the virtual keyboard behavior is usually controlled. Now scroll down until you find the external gamepad settings section. In that area, look for desktop layout. This is the profile Steam uses when your controller is controlling the desktop instead of a game. Next to desktop layout, click Edit. That will open in a separate controller configuration window. Inside the new window, you'll see a visual layout of your controller buttons. Now you need to find the action that opens the keyboard. In most cases, this is labeled Show Keyboard. By default, Steam may assign this to the left stick click, also known as L3, or sometimes a combination like the guide button plus A. Click the button or action that is currently assigned to Show Keyboard. Once you select it, look for the option to remove command or set it to none. Choosing either of these will disable that shortcut so the controller button no longer triggers the virtual keyboard. After that, close the configuration window to save your changes. In many cases, Steam saves this automatically as soon as you exit, but it's always a good idea to double check that the binding is removed before you leave. At this point, your Steam virtual keyboard shortcut should be disabled. If you want to test it, go back to the desktop or open Steam again and press the button that used to bring it up. If everything was changed correctly, the keyboard should no longer appear. This is a really useful fix if you accidentally open the keyboard during games, browsing, or streaming. It helps make controller navigation cleaner and a lot less annoying. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Steam tips, gaming fixes, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.